Hi, I'm Chef George. Today I present to you the best creamy chicken with mushroom sauce you've ever seen. Let's make it. I have my chicken breast, cut it into desired portions, seasoned with salt, seasoning cube, and also dry paprika. Add some light soy sauce to it and also oyster sauce to it. Mix all to combine. Break one egg to it and mix to ensure that all are combined together. In a bowl, add some quantity of cornstarch. Coat the chickens in the cornstarch, remove it and set it aside in a plate. The essence of the cornstarch is to ensure that it's well coated on the chicken, so when we fry it and put it in the sauce, it will even thicken the sauce. Also, in a different pan, add some butter, allow the butter to melt, and also shadow fry the chicken that we've already coated with the cornstarch, and ensure that you turn it side by side to ensure that the chicken is well fried and also brownish in color. See the process of frying the chicken and also follow all recipes that are being linked to this dish very well so that you can make it in your house and have a perfect outcome. Remember, I said we should fry the chicken and also ensure that it's brown. See how yummy the chicken looks like. So we'll remove it from this pan and put in a different bowl and set it aside. See how brownish the chicken is and yummy. In that same pan, bring in some fresh fine chopped onions sauteed to combine the flavor. Add some mushrooms and stir it to ensure that it browns a bit, and also introduce your dry paprika to it and stir to combine all together. Add some homemade cooking cream, stir all to combine, bring it to simmer a bit. Season with salt, seasoning cube, red fresh pepper, and also black pepper. Stir all to combine to have a blended flavor and a nice taste. Now we are going to introduce our chicken, mix it all to combine, and bring it to simmer a bit before you garnish it. See how nice, see how yummy. At some point now, the fried chicken is going to help us to thicken the sauce and with the heavy cream. Garnish with some carrots, green bell pepper, and also yellow bell pepper. Your sauce is almost ready. This sauce can be served with your rice, any kind of rice, be it white rice, be it fried rice, be it mashed potato, or even baked potato. If this is your first time on my page, kindly like this page, comment on this video, share this video. Also turn on your notification button so as I'm going to drop the next video, you will be the one to see. Thank you for watching this video. Also see you in my next video. Bye.